teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play my favorite things from the sound of music. Okay, the left hand should be single note only, the one that has box. For example, this is A minor, A minor, A minor, minor, then F, 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 F. And the notes was the notes on the G clap, the melody is for the right hand part. Okay, every time you have to, every time the notes align, you have to play it together, both hands. For example, first note is A and A. So you have to play it A and A together, like that. Okay? Okay, ready? Like that. Ready. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We have 3, 4 times signature, so 3 counts every measure. So A, E, E, B, A, B, A, like that. Okay, so left hand is A minor or A. Single note for the right hand. Left hand. Okay, ready. A, E, B, A, B, A. And here, A, E, B, A, B, A. Next. Okay, here, left hand D. A, E, D, left hand G, A, B, G, left hand C, G, D, C, same F, F, then left hand C, D, E, F, G, A, left hand F, A, B, C, left hand D, D, E, D, G sharp, right hand, and E, left hand. Then you have to repeat. There's repeat sign. Okay. I'm gonna play it a little faster. Then A, E, B, A, E, B, A, E, B, A, B, A. Next. A, E, D, A, B, G, G, D, C, F. Then E, F, G, A, B, C. And then you have to jump to second. You're not going to play this part anymore. Second page. Then E, D sharp, E, F with the E left hand. Tapos left hand, E, A, left hand E, D, G sharp, left hand A, C, E. Then left hand F, A, another F left hand, A, A, B, A, B, A, B. Left hand D. C, D, C, D, the same D. C, left hand C. E, F, the same F. Left hand F. E, C, F, C. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Very simple tutorial for my favorite things. Piano tutorial. Thank you. If you like my video music tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment below, and also hit the notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a music tutorial video. Your like, subscription, and comment will make a huge encouragement for me to pursue my music tutorial channel here in YouTube. And also, I will make a 30 music tutorial videos for 30 days starting today. And the next uploads after 30 music tutorial would be only twice or once a week. Thank you very much for watching.